Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our room here at the Disney Explorers Lodge, which is at the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. Okay, so this is the entrance to the room, and if you look down here, nice themed privacy tags to put on your door, Lion King themed. That's super cute. And we have the closet over here, and we have some bathrobes. You can see they say Disney Explorers Lodge. That is really nice. Then on the other side, we have the sink. So over here, we have our awesome amenities kit. So we have some of our body wash and shampoo, body lotion. I like this. Whoops. And then inside, shaving cream, shower cap, and then a bunch of toothbrushes. We got some kid ones here, Mickey and Minnie on them. And nail file, little comb. There's even a little sewing kit here. You need to sew some buttons on. There's the sink. And over here, we've got some cups and towels and soap. But we have these really, really nice coasters. And these are plastic. They're a little thin, so they won't really keep, but hey, it's a nice souvenir anyway. And down here we have a towel and a hair dryer, and then we have our tissue box. And there's just a lot of storage down here for whatever you need. And then over here is the toilet and shower. So it's a full standing shower. There's no bathtub. So we got the overhead shower head and then the normal shower head. And we got all the body soap. Nothing out of the ordinary here. And then up here, more towels. And then the toilet. No fancy toilet here, pretty standard. Now for the main part of the room. So over here, right beside the closet, this is really nice portrait with Daisy, Donald, and Goofy. It's not painted on, it's actually fabric. So that's quite a nice touch. And we got some mugs. These are ceramic and they have the same coasters as before. Down here we have the kettle and the bucket for ice. And you can kind of see behind here, there's an outlet here. So these are the outlets that they have in Hong Kong. If you don't have this type, you can actually go to the front desk and you can ask for an adapter and they will help you out with that. Here it's 220 volts in Hong Kong. This is just the switch. We also have some nice pamphlets and stuff for the hotels. We got this nice field guide which goes over a lot of the different amenities that the hotel has. And they have everything in English. So layout of the hotel. They have different languages in here. And just explaining the different activities, recreational activities at all the Disney hotels. And the gardens and pools that are here at the hotel. And a little crossword puzzle. Maze. And then you can go around the hotels collecting stamps. So it's Asia, South America, Oceania, and Africa. It's quite a nice keepsake. And then we have a full map of the Explorers Lodge, which is really nice. And then over here we have the Times Guide and Guide Map. Kevin from Up, and then also Minnie. This is quite nice. Quite cute. On the opposite side, we have the two beds. And if you look really closely, you can see the Mickeys in the sheets. And I should note that under the bed, there's lots of space, so you can put luggage and stuff underneath here. And over here, there's another power outlet. There's just a little warning on here to tell you, as I already mentioned, 220 volts only. And then a little nightstand. And above the bed we have Mickey here. That's really nice. I like that. The bed is a little firm, but most beds in Asia are firm. Then the other bed, we have Minnie above it. It's quite nice too. In between the beds, we have the phone. Nothing fancy there, but it is themed. It says Disney Explorer's Lodge, so that's cool. That's nice. And then we got more pamphlets and things. So we've got a comment card, adventure log. Ooh, I haven't seen this. Well, this is nice. It comes with a little pencil. You can make notes. By the way, I love that it's called Explorer's Lodge, because, you know, TDR Explorer, Explorer's Lodge, makes sense. On the opposite side of the beds, we have the TV. And then we have more storage here. So, more drawers. This has a lock. I don't think it actually opens. More here. And then down here, we have a safe. And more storage space. And on the other side, more storage space. To the right of the TV is a table with one chair, and we also have a bongo drum as a seat. Doesn't make much noise though. It's good for sitting, but not good for music. Up here, we got a welcome plate of fruit. And we also got a bottle of water, which I forgot where I put it. Probably the fridge. We have these nice little coasters. A little different than the ones that I showed you earlier. These, I guess they're like covers more than coasters. And up here, more outlets. And there's even a USB one in the USB outlet here. So looks like there's just the one though. There's this multicolored curtain. It's quite nice. Not really Disney themed, but hey, it fits the theme of the room. So, and then this is our view. See the rest of the hotel. We're actually in South America. That's the part of the hotel we're in. You can see the pool, which I am going to go in. Promise myself I will, because it's 32 degrees Celsius outside today. So I definitely need to go and do that. Oh, look who's in the pool. It's Goofy. It's a really nice view. You can see the bay over there too. That's really nice. I quite like that. All right, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I gave you a tour of our room here at the Disney Explorer's Lodge. If you want to learn more, make sure you visit our website, tdrexplorer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube.